In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a static HTML page to your WordPress website. Whether you're building a professional portfolio, a business site, or a personal blog, having control over what visitors see when they land on your homepage is essential. By replacing the default post feed with a static page, you can ensure your website makes a strong first impression. This tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. And if you're new to WordPress, don't worry, it's straightforward, and I'll guide you every step of the way. If you don't have a WordPress account yet, you'll find a link in the description to get started. Alright, let's dive right in. First, open your WordPress homepage in your web browser. Once the site loads, look for the login option. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to access the login screen. Now, instead of manually entering your username and password, select the Continue with Google option. This simplifies the process by using your existing Google credentials, saving you the trouble of remembering yet another password. If you're prompted, just choose the appropriate Google account and complete the authentication process. After logging in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub where you can control and customize your website. Next, we'll move on to configuring your site settings so that you can set up your static homepage. To get started, click on the Settings section in the WordPress dashboard. A menu will appear, and from here, locate and click on the Reading option. This section is important because it controls what visitors see when they first arrive at your website. Once you're on the Reading settings page, look for the section labeled Your Homepage Displays. Here you'll see different options for how your homepage can be set up. Choose the option labeled A Static Page. This tells WordPress that you want to display a specific page, not just a stream of your most recent posts. Once you've selected this, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, choose the page you'd like to set as your homepage. This could be an About page, a landing page, or any other page you've created that you want visitors to see first. By doing this, you're ensuring your visitors have a clear and focused experience when they arrive at your site. Once you've made your selection, scroll down to the bottom of the Reading settings page here. You'll find the Save Changes button. Click on it to apply all the modifications you've just made. This step is crucial because it ensures that your site settings are updated and your static homepage is properly configured. Now, it's a good idea to review your selections to make sure everything looks right. Double-check that the page you chose is displaying as the homepage, and if you need to make any adjustments, you can always return to the Reading settings and tweak your choices. And that's it. You've successfully set up a static HTML page as your homepage in WordPress. This small change can make a big difference in how professional and user-friendly your website appears. If you have any questions or need help with another tutorial, feel free to drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.